What's up, Amazon? So welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be demoing and reviewing two brand new highlighters I got. So the way this video came to fruition was I recently got the new Benefit cookie highlighter, and so I'm like, okay, let me do a little demo review of it. I'm like, what can I compare it to, so you can see, kind of get an idea of how intense it is or how sparkly it is. And I'm like, duh, I just got another new highlighter, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Multi-Glow All Over Highlighter. So I'm going to be trying both these out and letting you know how I feel about them. So here is the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. This was, okay, I'm actually going to start with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Highlighter. It does say it is a limited edition, and so it has two different shades. This is in Romance Light, which is described as an ambient pink, a nude pink glow for cooler complexions. This is out of stock right now at Sephora. And then the other one is Dream Light, which is, Dream Light, which is an ambient pink glow for warmer complexions. So they're kind of similar. So one's just for, cooler complexions, one is for warmer. I do have a warm undertone, but it looks like that one would have been a little bit too dark for me. So this was $45. Yes. All right, let's go to the Benefit one, which is also out of stock, but this does retail for $30. And let me see if it gives a description of the shade. A golden pearl super silky highlighter. So the only Benefit highlighters I really have liked have been the liquid ones, like High Beam and, what's the other one? So let's get into it. I will start with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I'm just gonna swipe it across all of the layers. So let me start over here. I do think $45 for a highlighter is a little ridiculous though. Okay, so here is the Pillow Talk highlighter. Now I'm going to take a different brush and we're going to go in with the cookie highlighter. I love their packaging. I always have. You guys see this? This is stunning. Oh. So this one is obviously more pinkish, like a pink champagne. And then, that's just so gorgeous. Doesn't seem like they give you much in here though. How much does this weigh? 0.28 ounces, and the Pillow Talk is 0.24. Really? Huh, looking at it, you would think the Pillow Talk has more because this is kind of shallow in there, but it's actually the other way around. Okay, so let me just do it on my brow bone as well. Talk. Okay, and now we'll do cookie on the other side. See how much that made a difference to my eye? Isn't that crazy? It looks like it's just more open. this is Cookie. Okay, my thoughts on that. I think they are both stunning, like stunning, but I am really like shook at how good this is. Like when I would think of Benefit highlighters, like they were never like, oh, they have really good highlighters, but this is the bomb, and I'm really loving it. And of course, I think the Pillow Talk one is gorgeous. It just, there's no denying it. It's just, I think $45 is a little, you know, but it is Charlotte Tilbury. They're both super creamy. I actually think the Benefit one is creamier than the Pillow Talk. That was actually one of the things I noticed when I first tried it. So here is a swatch of Cookie. And here is a swatch of Pillow Talk. You can see. So if you're very fair, the Cookie would probably be best for you. Or you could just use, you know, like these two lightest shades here. But I mean, if you're gonna pay $45 for it, I would want to use the whole thing, you know. But yeah, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed this demo and review, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.